hasn't been a ton. All right. So I saw some. I haven't been on CNBC yet, but I saw some chatter about jobless claims higher than expected from COVID cases. Looks like that's the case. So slight uptick in jobless, taking us down a little bit here. So we were up pretty good on the Nasdaq yesterday. Tesla had a great day, extending up a lot overnight, getting up to towards 570. Opening today at 550. It looks like. So it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Not too bad. But coronavirus is getting worse right now. Although we do have some really good news on vaccines. I mean, they're coming. Arizona's supposed to have vaccines in a couple of weeks for at-risk people. Doctors say CDC should warn people the side effects from COVID vaccine shots. That's the headline. Won't be a walk in the park. Okay. What are the coronavirus vaccines? Side effects. Participants in Moderna's Pfizer coronavirus vaccine told they were experiencing high fever, body aches, bad headaches, day-long exhaustion, and other symptoms after receiving the shots. While the symptoms were uncomfortable and at times intense, the participants said they often went away after a day, sometimes sooner, and that it was better than actually getting COVID-19. Oh, so your mini COVID-19 right there. Muscle pain, chills, and headache, which are similar. Suffered a migraine. Down for about a day. Take a day off after the second dose. If this works, people are going to have to toughen up. First dose is no big deal. Second dose will put you down for a day. Okay. Interesting. All right, so NASDAQ up a little bit today. Great day yesterday. Volume was a little bit lower on the futures. We'll see what that turns into, but that's a pretty good breadth day in a good direction. So I'm assuming that means Apple turned up. I didn't quite look. Yeah, it did turn up towards the end of the day there. How about Amazon? I'm assuming. Yep, Amazon had a good day. With holidays coming up, I'm pretty sure Amazon's going to do pretty good. Probably Apple too with their new phones out and such. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, blockchain 4% leading us. Zoom, AMD, GDLC, Nvidia, U, Amazon. See what's lower here. XPEV, NIO. EV's getting hit. JD Space, Uber, Tesla down about 0.5%. Not too bad. All right, NIO down. I saw an options trade placed on NIO yesterday. Huge options trade. They're not feeling so good today. Oh, come on, man. Sheesh. NO shares indicating China and DRC investigating EV sector projects in China. Whatever that means. That's not good. XPEV. All right, finally having, well, I guess it was down a bunch more yesterday. Probably about the same amount. So far holding up pretty good. We'll see how it goes. JD, another China company. Broken out from the cup and handle. Really hasn't continued though. Our D-Dog, GBTC. Bitcoin knocking at 20K. See what Riot's doing. Nothing. Looks like a nothing day so far. Net. Was that Zen? Oh, Zen's getting up. Trying to land AMD. There we go. All right, AMD kind of back at it. Good. Getting very nice. AMD back at it pretty good here. We'll see what volume turns out to be on our opening candle so far. Pretty good. Net. I do like this net kind of loosely curling up here. Very interesting situation. Um, yeah, very interesting. Zoom. Not quite interested. Earnings are very soon. Maybe even, nope, the 30th. Zoom earnings on the 30th. KGKG, FLGT. Oh, there's Very Fine Foods. All right, Very Fine Foods getting going, guys. Oh, we missed that yesterday. Very Fine Foods. Bam. Where's Rob? There's Rob. I'm not even sure when you typed morning, but there's your Very Fine Foods entry yesterday. Somehow we missed that. It looks really good right there. I think I still have some of this in my big account. I almost sold it the other day, and I'm like, nah, actually looks pretty good. I think I'll hold on to it. And here we are up a little bit. Let's see. I'm just logging in. Damn. Sorry, just my performance graph slapped me in the face. Yeah, I do still have a little bit of this. Cool. Cool. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I almost have to share this. It's too good. Rob, check out the stocks chat room. I don't want to brag too much, but I kind of want to brag. I deserve it. I deserve a little bit of a brag. Little bit. Little bit. All right, I'm just gonna put it on the stream. Screw it. Um, how do I do? So there's my Roth IRA, and apparently E-Trade never anticipated someone getting to 1,000% gains for the year, or even 3 years apparently. Because look, they have the one above the 1,000. They made the text wrap. They couldn't even make it sideways. So I'm at 905% going back 1 year. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. James is here, everybody. Yes, James. Where's my morning hug? Where's the morning kiss? Mwah. Go do something. How about get dressed for the day? Yeah. Yeah, there's that. You can do that. You can do that. That's the thing you can do.
Getting do's.
Nobody does that? But I do. Am I dressed?
Yeah, you always wear those clothes.
It's true. I'm all, I am. Your pants are on backwards. Again. I'm gonna call you backwards boy. I'm gonna call you backwards boy. Mommy's asleep. Show the front of your pants to me. James is awesome. James, you're funny. Here, do math. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do math?
Yeah.
Remember how to do it? I don't know if you did. I don't know. Well, that pen's going out. We'll use a different one. Here.
No, no, no.
It's going out. Trust me.
I don't have. Red.
So 2, 7, 3,
Red.
4, 5, 9, 6, 4, plus 3, 2, 8, 6,
9,
6.
9.
Do it. Nope, I'm doing my show. All right, I'm back. All right, so Very Fine Foods and VFF up today. Boom, son. VFF another 10%. My goodness.
Proverbs.
Yeah, so do it. So do it. Real stocks for real traders. That's right. That's why there's only how many on here right now? I'm going to go 4. Oh, it says 1. Oh, it says 3 now. Not sure which is correct. Dude, Very Fine Foods. I don't know if I told you guys, I've actually bought this. I bought it on this up day right here on the breakout. And look at this freaking thing going for it right now, man. Jeesh. That is a pretty exhaustive move from that breakout. Up 62%. And then Very Fine Foods also up a crap ton. Well, not about a crap ton, but I'm loosely positive in this one. I do have a little bit of this for the big account. You totally missed that one? Well, we talked about it. I don't remember the time that I entered it. All I know is that I saw the breakout. I had some cash, and I'm like, this is a really good. I just said to myself, I'm like, this is a really good setup. Pocket pivots, nice consolidation outside of the base, and then it just went. So I don't know when this is gonna stop. It looks like it's stopping right now. I don't know, but that's a significant. Oh yeah, I got in at 155. It's at 4.3. So that's like 150% or something. So yeah, good open today for Very Fine Foods. And that candle's coming all the way back down. See, he never did the math problem. Little lazy boy. Shopify, not yet. I think someone asked about this a couple days ago. Yeah, not yet. I think it's good. I don't think it's ready yet. Still got some work to do. Don't really have any pocket pivots. Things are still consolidating. It's just not quite ready. Yeah, I don't think it's quite ready. All right, Very Fine. Oh, there's Very Fine Foods going. I bought this on that, I think on the topping day because I'm stupid, but I bought it early and then I've held it this entire time, which is very uncharacteristic for me. But it's a smaller position size, which makes it more manageable. Yeah, AMD looked good. Yeah, as usual, I'm a little annoyed I got out of AMD. I just don't trade AMD well. I'm just going to say it. I think I said it last time I didn't trade AMD well before it popped. And then it popped and I didn't get in. Yeah, I didn't trade it well. I do. Yeah, I'm with you, Ellie. I think this is going. I should get back in, but I don't think I have any cash left. Unless I want to roll out that VFF trade, maybe into an AMD trade. I don't know. I was looking at this VFF on the weekly. I mean, it's capable of some crazy ass runs. This gets from 1.7 to 7.5, but I think I told you the other day. I think I mentioned it to everyone. Like the reason the Tesla trade, I'm just so comfortable in it because there's just so much information about it. Like I don't know that much about a lot of these other stocks, and I mean, as much as I say technicals are the only thing that matter, I gotta say having knowledge on the company gives a lot of confidence in the trade, at least for me. Yeah. So I think that's a kind of an interesting dynamic to my personality that I'm discovering. Speaking of Tesla, gapping down a little bit here. Nothing too crazy. Still on the daily chart looks excellent. Really zero wrong. Yesterday was even a higher volume candle, which was pretty cool. Nice to see that. And then it extended up after hours up towards 570. I was like, geesh. This thing's gonna have an exhaustion gap here pretty soon if it's not careful. I mean, in what, 6 days, it's run from 40 to 550. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 days. Well, I guess 7 days if you count that day. And then from, yeah, they're up to 550. So pretty cool. Pretty amazing on Tesla. And yeah, looking at that, we looked at that Apple run yesterday. I'll do it again just to reiterate for everyone that does have this trade. And Apple's looking pretty decent, Amazon too, but just to reiterate for people that have this trade and for myself. So there's the triangle, there's the breakout. Remember, this one came back, tested the 50-day one time. Yeah, UAL was looking good overnight, and then it tanked. We'll look at that too. This one tested the 50-day. I was thinking about it. I'm like, okay, what if there's maybe a chance to sell and then rebuy on the 50-day? I mean, a 5 or 6%. I don't know if that's worth it or not. I don't know. I probably won't do that. I'll probably just try to hold the entire time if I can. Yeah, let's look at UAL. Okay, so it did, but this one skyrocketed after hours. This had an excellent close yesterday. Really, really great. Huge pocket pivot. Look at that. That's the fourth biggest day of the past couple of months. Very, very good day. And then extended up to 46 and a quarter, which is like way up here, which is huge. And then it gapped, and then ends up gapping lower. So whatever. But anyway, yeah, UAL with a great day yesterday. I hope we're good here. Out of a lot of this with the whole coronavirus thing. So I don't know for sure, but it's looking like it's reversing. So I'm sticking with that trade. I got in that with you guys. If you took it. So it's probably back down. Yeah, I don't know. Probably about break even on that one. Maybe negative. Slightly negative, yeah. Slightly negative. Welcome to options. And then Uber's back to negative. I should have sold it yesterday when I was flat. I could sell it today. Nothing super wrong with Uber. It's going in the right direction. It's broken everything. So when do I have? I think all these I have until January. UAL, January, Uber, January. Yeah. Those are my only shorter term ones. So yeah, I've got both of those till January. Okay, looks like VF. Where's VFF? 9 point. Oh, it's at the top and it wasn't scrolled all the way up. Funny. Funny. All right, so VFF today with a little bit of selling pressure, but so far not falling apart. I may still continue to hold this for a little while longer. It's pretty good. Love that base, man. Look at that base. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Good pocket pivots. See, Ellie, if I'm gonna learn machine learning one day, this is these are the setups, tightening price action. I don't know how you would like teach a machine this though. I mean, someone's got to have done it. I really would like to just model. Yeah, text just not where I want it to be. Pocket pivots galore. Huge volume spikes. It's got to be able. You got to find an ML that can, or even a bot, even just a normal bot that can identify huge spikes like this. All right, in the past 60 days, how many spikes double average volume? If there's more than 3, let's talk. I think that's a pretty good scan. Should be a nice platform to make for that. I don't know. All right, Planetar up here again, continuing. Jeesh. What do these guys do again? Prototype contact. Mission command with space with U.S. Army Futures Command prototype. Common Data Fabric and Data Security from the U.S. Army. Man, this thing is on a tear. Huge move on that one. Jeez. All right, GDLC up 8% today. Looks like getting towards yesterday's high. So kind of infilling a little bit. Very Fine Foods doing well. What's up, Topher? Net looking pretty good. I think Net's consolidation was just sideways. And now it's curling up. Nobody sold any Net. I think this could be ready to... I don't know if it's going to rock and just pop higher, but it could start to walk higher and maybe increase an amplitude of the run. Whatever that leads you to, but that was a pretty decent trade on Net. Actually, we can adjust this trend line. Yeah, it's a little bit elevated, but now it's good. Not sure that's really valid anymore. Yeah, Net doing really good here. I really do like Net as well. So many good stocks. Good options. All right, AMD doing good. Space, how's Space? All right, Space, guys. Space is going. It's going places. Look at that. Volume could be a little bit better, but we're breaking higher highs. Moving averages are diverging. As of about a week ago, that could be another signal to look for. Diverging moving average. You get the 10 over the 20 over the 50 over the 200 right there. Pretty good. Then off to the races you go. So, got so many good things to look for. NVIDIA, Trade Desk, XPEV still down. NIO came back a little bit. All right, Corsair finally with a red day. About time. Good, now we can start watching it a little closer. Tesla looks like it's come down. We'll see how that one plays out. And we'll stick with the actionable list. And then, oh, VFF continuing, ladies and gentlemen. So Planetary, Very Fine Foods. Doing pretty good. Man, I saw this great video on, forget the company name, but they do vertical farming. I don't know if we've talked about this on here before. My goodness, man. Vertical farming, there's this company that this dude ended up starting. What's this company name? It's like, I don't know, it's like it's a single word. It's a good company name. Anyway, so they are growing on 2 acres of land vertically what would take them 720 acres to grow in a traditional farm, using 95% less water. Absolutely amazing. And 99% less land. Maybe I'll find it like that. There's a cool interview by this dude too. It's like I think it's called Plenty. Yeah, Plenty. Here we go. Yeah, Plenty. So you can get them in California because I think they're based in San Francisco. So you may be able to check them out, Ellie, if you Google them, Plenty. Yeah, so very cool. Plenty CEO interview if you're interested. Not that you are. But if any of these come to market, man, holy crap. These are going to go nuts. I don't know. The thing is, with venture capital, they're trying to stay private as long as they can so they can go public at huge valuations. So I'm not sure if we're going to really get much of an opportunity to invest in companies like this. But Plenty looks amazing. Be cool to have some of that stuff here in the desert. All right, Very Fine Foods. There you go, 10%. We're going for it. I have a whopping 2% of my account in Very Fine Foods. It's a tenth of a position. Going for it. I like this. I think this is just getting started. I like the early setup. I like the consolidation. This thing could go to 10 the way things have been going lately, if it stays as frothy as it's been. All right, Tesla with a consolidation day works for me. All right, net 3%, almost 3%. Donkey Kong and a little bull flag. Let's just walk down the actionable list, guys. All right, so we got VFF still blasting off. So I'm going to make some more money in this one. Very Fine Foods blasting off. I'm up 5.4%, ladies and gentlemen. Planetar doing great. Needs a base. Riot going up. Myrna. This is Moderna. These are one of the guys with the vaccine. So I don't know, man. These things could blast. Actually, take a measured move off of this. Jeez, that's a nice one. And get us to 150. 140. Moderna, maybe get you to 140 on a measured move right there. That's pretty good. All right, GDLC, KG, EPAM, HubSpot. I like the way Net looks. Zoom has earnings coming up. AMD looking really good. Square continuing on. Yeah. Zen looks like it's trying to accelerate. Last time I did this, poked its head up like this, it fell down. I don't know. Zendesk, very, very good stock. A lot of people use Zendesk. It's, very, very popular. Lots of varies on today's show. Square, GBTC, Coop looking good. All right, Peloton, nice consolidation. I like it. We're under the 50-day, but not really in a super bad way. Although we did cut down there. That's a sell signal on Peloton that day right there for sure. But we've held it nicely. And it looks like we may want to try to reverse at some stage. So Peloton, maybe better than it looks, but it may go with Zoom, which looks like it's not doing much till the 30th, which is... Oh yeah, we're going to have a shortened week this week because Thanksgiving's tomorrow. I got to figure out my Thanksgiving plans. Amazon, boom! All right, Ellie, got a new Amazon options play? As it's putting in a... Looks like it's going to break a little range today. Oh, come on. This is the freaking slowest software. My God. Ellie, yes, it will be 10K. You can afford it. So do it. My God, you don't need to play in $500 options. Come on, man. You're going to end up being robbed with 8,000 positions, and you're going to get fired from your job because you can't do your job anymore because you have to manage your option positions. Oh, you can't? Oh, sorry, I didn't know that. Well, I don't know all of your ecosystem, so actually probably more than 10K. The Amazon, when I bought Amazon, it was 60,000. It was a $60,000 for one call. For one call. This is really nice though. So maybe up to 34, 37 by 12:15. I wonder what that would look like. It's already, it's getting up there. It needs to run, but at the same time, we're not ready for it. All right, we need better software than this Thinkorswim, man. I'm freaking telling you. I'm getting annoyed. I need to be a better web developer. Oh, birds are back. All right. Yeah, we need to get... Not that it's necessary, but... I do have an Amazon account. I wonder if we can run StockShed on Amazon so it's just highly available. If that's the thing, Ellie, maybe we can do that. That way we don't have that boot up time. I'm already paying for some services with trade triggers that apparently I feel like I want to drop it right now. Well, I'm already paying for it, I'm not wasting money. It's like $7 a month or something. Or $10 a month. It's nothing. Another 7. 12, 16. What did it say? 3, 4, 4, 7? Yeah, that's right at the tippy top, though. Let's go to 3,400. um, yeah, it's not that great. It's like 40%. So I'll stick with not doing it. All right, BEP. Interesting. Paycom. Paycom looking really good. Not backing away at all. Ring not looking so hot. Take Two Interactive, Nvidia. Regeneron, DocuSign, CRM. Is that a double bottom base on Salesforce? What? No freaking way. It's barely a double bottom base. It loosely doesn't qualify as a flat base. That's really nice. Your technical buy point is 270.69. 12.1 after market. Ooh, option premiums are going to be through the roof on this one, but that is a beautiful double bottom base on CRM. Pretty good, man. That's a beauty. Peloton. Excuse me. Fiverr. Continuing up. EXPI. Trade Desk. Regeneron. CCC. Take Two Interactive. Peloton. Regeneron. All right. PLNHF going, guys. Look at that. Was that yesterday or today? Earnings. It's after earnings. Nice. Nice. What do we got here? Close enough. So they broke even. It's a huge win. It's huge. What do these guys do again? PLNHF. They are over the counter, which means they don't have any options, which kind of counts them out for me. But interesting, they have earnings and they're over the counter. That is unique. PLNHF. No results found. I get no information on PLNHF on FinViz. That's because it's on the over-the-counter exchanges. All right, Planet 13. Oh yeah, Planet 13. Why can't I ever remember that? That's why we have Rob. Rob's our memory. All right, but that looks pretty good, Rob. Options? Nope. No options on PLNHF, but it does look like it's turning a corner here. We do have quite a few pocket pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4 pocket pivots here in the past couple of months. Pretty good volumes, above average too. Yeah, this could start to get going. This could, maybe you never know, especially because in Vegas you're gonna have travel happening again the next several months with coronavirus vaccines coming out. Just read an article. If you guys didn't hear, the coronavirus vaccines will make you sick for a day. Not that, I don't know if that's good or if you care about that or not, but that's what they say. MJ Superstores. MJ Superstores. Trade Desk. All right, we keep walking down this list, otherwise we'll never finish. Slack has a nice base here. I kind of like this. I'm not a big fan of the platform, even though my chat room's hosted on it, but their plans are ridiculous. Oh my god. All right, Fiverr. There's Planet again. Sand, D-Dog, iRobot. I want something to knock my socks off. Planet 13 Fitness there. Knocks my socks off in terms of a chart pattern. So does Salesforce's double bottom. Silver looks good too. Procter & Gamble, Roku new highs, Carvana new highs. Think it's going to go. I'm not sure if it's going to be stock for me, but I think it's going to go. Match.com, that was pretty. All right, got a little consolidation. Nice. Very nice, huh? Just got to break above our 142 there and be good to go. I need a meme. Oh, Massey, look at that. That's a nice cup and handle. Um, oh, it's not where I do it. It's right here. That is a pretty nice cup and handle on Massey, y'all. From 180 to 260. And yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Visa, everywhere you want to be. Except for in new stock highs. Getting close though. Visa's not going down. When Visa starts breaking out, guys, the whole market's going. It's going to happen at some point. We're kind of maybe in the next 3 months. Nasdaq seems to not quite want to go. Maybe needs a little bit more time off. It's been running. It's probably tired. Carvana, nice. Starbucks, Spotify. Is that Spotify? Yeah, Spotify. Looking good. MED, Metafast broke up. Unity taking a break. Dropbox. Ooh. Ooh. Although the weekly chart is horrible. Yeah, I can't get interested in that. I'm taking Dropbox off it. Well, I'm going to delete something else. If I try to delete Dropbox, I'm just going to leave it on. But Dropbox needs to go. Needs to go. ZTS. I'm going to bail in a little bit, guys. If you guys want me to look at something, let me know. NCLA, ZTS, Starbucks. Looks good. GMed looks good. GMed looks great. GMed looks really good. Interesting action on Netflix. A little lazy. I think they'd be a little more excited. Restoration Hardware. I'm sure we'll come across it again. Seem to be going pretty good. There's Med again. Rocket Mortgage. Crash and burn on that one. Pie. Nope. New Skin. Yeah, we're in most of the good ones. We did find a couple of good ones in Salesforce. I like the Salesforce chart. That's pretty. Don't hear too many people talking about Salesforce. Do you want to beat up children, Ellie? Do you live within 100 feet of a school? I think that's illegal if you want to beat up kids. They'll put you on a list. Lemonade's holding up. Sheesh, remind me not to invite you over again. I got two of them. I didn't know I was in danger. All right, Uber. Not looking good. I got to ditch my Uber position. Yeah, I'm ditching it. Darn it. Ooh, how much money? You, my 6-year-old would kick your ass, actually. James, pretty tough dude. All right. Not really happy with Uber there. I'll leave it for now. All right. Nasdaq is barely positive, showing red on my candle, but not on the percentage, which is always odd when it does that. UAL not really backing away too much. Can't be mad at that. PLL not going anywhere fast, but it looks good. Little tiny baby cup right there. What a cute little cup. Winnebago. Signature Bank of New York. Win. NIO kind of taking a breather. And we're getting a lot of those EVs down here, unfortunately, today. Solo after being as high as almost 14, cut in half to 7. NIU finally coming in. XPEV. I think NIU just ran because people thought it was NIO. Prove me wrong. XPEV, AYRO, and finally Corsair coming off their high horse. Jeez, what a run. Missed all of this, and this is why you don't get in lakes. It'll wipe out like a day and a half in a day, sometimes more. So anyway, I like Corsair. They have good products, but not really buying that stuff at the moment. All right, VFF. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take profits on this. It's just an exhaustive run. I should have probably taken profits earlier. Very Fine Foods going, looking pretty good. This one has not necessarily exhausted its run, although it is getting to a prior high. That could lead to some exhaustion, just getting to that prior high. And Zoom up here pretty good. GBTC net 3.4 now. Net looks really good. Not sure if it's going to rock. The market's got to participate some, I think, but net is looking great. This is a long-term leader, guys. Net, hell yeah. This thing's doing really good. All right, guys, I got to bail. Kids are yelling. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Actually, no, I won't. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'll see you Friday. I'll see you guys Friday.